In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for vibe marketing in this 25 tutorial. The first thing you want to do is define your brand vibe before you build anything inside Gumloop. This is important because your entire workflow will depend on the style you want your content to reflect. Your brand vibe might be professional and authoritative, fun and playful, luxury and premium, minimalist and modern, motivational and inspirational, or educational and informative. Think of this as the foundation for your AI prompts, your messaging, and the kind of content you want to generate consistently. Once you're clear on that, go to Gumloop, log in, and create a new flow. Click New Flow, give your workflow a clear name, and then open the workflow editor. A simple name like Vibe Marketing Automation works well because it makes the purpose of the flow obvious when you come back to it later. Next, start collecting inspiration content. Add data sources that reflect the market and audience you want to understand. This can include competitor websites, social media posts, blog articles, YouTube transcripts, TikTok transcripts, and customer reviews. The goal here is to give your workflow enough real-world material to study so it can recognize content patterns and audience preferences more accurately. After that, extract and analyze the content. Use scraping or content retrieval nodes to pull in text from those sources, then connect an AI node to analyze what it finds. You want the AI to look for writing style, tone of voice, common themes, frequently used phrases, audience pain points, and content formats. A simple prompt like analyze this content and identify the tone, messaging style, audience, and recurring themes is a great starting point. From there, have the AI identify trends and patterns across the collected material. Ask it to pull out popular topics, viral hooks, frequently asked questions, emotional triggers, and engagement drivers. This helps you understand not just how people are communicating, but also what is actually getting attention. Once that's done, create a brand voice profile. Use the AI's findings to build a summary of your tone, audience, style, and call to action approach. Save this profile because it will become your reference point for future content generation and help keep everything consistent. Next, add an AI generation node to create content ideas using that brand voice profile. You can ask for ideas for Instagram and LinkedIn and generate things like post ideas, video concepts, carousel topics, email newsletter ideas, and lead magnet concepts. Then move into generating actual marketing content. Use the identified vibe to create social media captions, blog outlines, email campaigns, ad copy, landing page copy, and video scripts. For example, you can ask for a LinkedIn post focused on productivity